Ready to supercharge your website's credibility with the power of Trustpilot Reviews? First, log into your Social Ninja account. Navigate to the Integrations tab on the Social Ninja dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Find the Trustpilot option and click on it to begin the process of integration. Next, you will need to enter your Trustpilot Business URL. Copy the exact URL from your Trustpilot business page and paste it into Social Ninja. Now for the fun part, customize the look and feel of your Trustpilot Reviews widget. Social Ninja allows you to adjust the design to perfectly match your website's branding. Choose your widget style, select your color scheme, and decide how many reviews you'd like to showcase. Once you are happy with the look, Social Ninja generates a unique code snippet for you. Simply copy this code, head over to your website's backend, and paste the code snippet into the appropriate section of your HTML where you want the reviews to appear. This will usually be in the body section of your page. And that's it. Save the changes to your website and watch as your Trustpilot reviews pop up, building instant trust and boosting conversions. Start your free trial today by visiting socialninja.com and unlock the power of social proof. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.